This is the American Flyer locomotive running with the replacement Mark motor. I had to flip the wheels around because the brass wheels are on the wrong side. And in doing so, I broke the brush plate on top. So Nicholas and I, he repaired a new one. One of the gears was split in the front, so I left the drive axle to help. But as you can see, after I don't know how many years, it's working once again.